Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn prompt engineering and use generative AI to create applications without writing a single line of code, then you are in luck. AWS announced PartyRock, which is a playground for Amazon Bedrock service, which is generative AI service. We have seen this service in our earlier tutorial or videos. You can refer that. But today I am going to talk about PartyRock, which is a new web tool. This is simple service and it's like more like having fun while learning generative AI. So without further delay, let's get started. I'll show you brief about what is PartyRock. So let's see what this PartyRock is. So this is a web UI, what I just said, and it is partyrock.aws, and I put this URL in description, so don't worry about this. But once you get into this partyrock.aws, it will ask you your ID. Like you just need to key in your Gmail or Apple ID. There are options, but it's like pretty simple. Or just take few seconds to get into this. Right? So PartyRock is a service where you can have fun. You create your application without writing any code. So like if you see this, there are applications which was already created. You can just see how these applications are created, but just before we create on our own, right, we can just click on build your own and you can start creating it. But before that, let's see what this service is, right? So it is an Amazon Bedrock playground, right? So you might have seen chat playground, text playground, image playground, and we have talked about it in the past when we talk about Bedrock as a service. And the same thing, they are calling it as a Amazon Bedrock playground, which is PartyRock. Right, and then and these are few applications which has already created, which uses by a PartyRock. You can just click on it and see those applications, what those are: movie recommendation, good eat, then book to screen. So these are different applications which has already created and uses this platform or this web UI. So just bit about this PartyRock. It is like learn generative AI fundamentals, no coding required. So as I said earlier, right, it is a no coding at all. You don't need to write a single line of code, and I'll show you how that works. So these are few features of it, and then access powerful foundational models from Amazon Bedrock. So whatever Amazon Bedrock service is used, so that foundation models are available, and you can see like when we start like using it. So it's simple to share, and this is the interesting feature what I found. Like you can create an application which is like in few seconds, as I said, but at the same time you can make it public. You get the URL and you can share that with your friends and colleagues, and you can share it in social media. So this is very interesting. I'm finding like this might be the thing which everyone will like, because you can show what you have built. So I think like there is a fun in it. Okay, so let's build. So literally you can just write what application you want to create and click on generate app. So instead I'll go here and click on build your own app. So write a song. You can just do whatever you want. Write a song with a keyword, and I'll just create one. Right, I just want to show you how to create it, but the one application which I have built, I want to just show you at the end, which is like I created one application which takes the inputs as actor name from Bollywood actor, and it shows you its popular movie by that actor, little bit text about actor in that movie, information about movie, and then using that it creates image. So that is interesting, right? So we'll see that. So here you literally can just put whatever keyword you want. So for example, if I say Messi, he is like a famous soccer player, so it will start creating a song with this keyword. So I'll not go into like what this song is and all that. We are not interested in actual song. We are interested more how this stuff works. And here you can just create like change this input name. Instead of keyword, just put what is on your mind. Just save. So you can see it here, and you can even change the prompt which was used for this particular song generation or for this application. You can just create that. This is the prompt which was automatically created for us, but you can go and change it for yourself. So this is quite easy in that sense, right? So this is the widget title. Then these are the models which are available, and you can choose whatever model you want. I'll just go ahead and keep the same one, and then write a prompt and you can change it as I said. So that's it. Like, and if you see this, what is on your mind is an input. Earlier it might be keyword, but now it is showing this. So this is that simple. Okay, so I'll just cancel this, and now, and you can make it public. If you click on make public, then it says your app is now public. Anyone with the link can now see your app. Anyone means anyone. Make sure your app does not contain any sensitive information you wouldn't want to share. Yeah, so and you can just make it private as well. You can just make it private again, that is an option. So copy link to clipboard, and that's it, we got the link. Now you can share it with others, but let me see. Yeah, so that's it. Like, it will just show you whatever app we have created just now, right? That will just show you this. Okay, and the one which I want to show you and which I created and I really liked it is this, my app, and then yeah, songwriter I tried before, and then Bollywood Movie Poster Maker. So what I have done for this, right, I just given a prompt, like before, like I just click on build an app for me. I given a prompt, or I create an app with input as actor name, and it should find out a popular movie by that actor, and then create an image out of it. So that was my prompt. So I'll just give some actor names, say for example Akshay Kumar, and if you guys don't know, he's like a quite famous Bollywood actor, so I'm just using his name. So you can see, like, this prompt automatically identified his popular movie, right? And there's like initially it was giving me list of movies, but I just want one so that I can feed in that in movie image widget, and it's create an image for me. And how I did that, I just went here, I changed the prompt saying, like, this was already there, name popular Bollywood movie starring actor name is coming from this side, and then name, and I added this name only one movie, write description about the movie. So this I changed as a prompt, and it started giving me information about this particular movie, and that is great. And if you see, like, using this Kesari movie as an input, it started creating an image for us. It is like movie poster. How like same or similar this looks to Akshay Kumar, I doubt, but that doesn't matter for now. I just want to show you how imaginary poster for the Bollywood movie name starring actor name. So whatever we have given this variables here, so those are taken here. So that's it. Like, I just want to show you this. This is quite interesting. You can create your own application. As I said, it just take few seconds. You don't really need to code anything, and this is just for fun, I think. And then, but you can learn prompt engineering as part of that. So that there is a promise for this particular PartyRock web UI which AWS released, and the purpose must be like to popularize Amazon Bedrock, which is their GenerativeAI service. Okay, that's it, guys. I think like you might have liked this. If yes, please let me know that in comment. Like, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate that, and we'll meet again with yet another interesting topic around AWS. Hope you learned something new today. If so, please like this video, share, leave your comment so that I know this content is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's now. Okay, see you again with yet another exciting tutorial about AWS. Keep learning, keep sharing what you learn, and thanks for watching.